This is one of the most glazed fragrances I have ever seen in my entire life, but it's Sospiro Vibrato, truly deserving of the hype. I usually save that intro for my short form content series where I usually like to glaze a lot of the most hyped fragrances, but I think this fragrance, it gets glazed more than borderline anything else I've ever seen. But to those of you who have no clue what this fragrance is, this is Sospiro Vibrato. And for those of you who have no idea what this smells like, I'll give you the best description I possibly can. I know there's like a bunch of other notes that include this fragrance. I think there's like vanilla in here as well. There's like it's cedar notes. There's a bunch of stuff in this fragrance. All I smell are a little bit of woods in the background, but mainly a juicy grapefruit smell coupled with this like sparkling, bubbly ginger ale note. Like there's a ginger note in there, but it's like sparkling. That coupled with the juicy grapefruit is all I smell when I smell this fragrance. And in terms of a fragrance as a whole, this is probably one of the greatest fragrances ever of all time. Continuing on from the scent profile, as I said, this is that sparkling, bubbly ginger ale-esque fragrance, and I know you can wear this fragrance for a number of different occasions. Say you want a fragrance you just wear every day to the office, this will work perfectly for that. Say you need a fragrance that you can even wear to school, this can be something great for that, because this is one of those fragrances that not only smells great but can last you throughout that entire work shift. And even then, say you want to take a decant with you, I don't think you really need a decant with you. I think this is one of those fragrances where you can wear it on an everyday consistent basis, but it'll last you throughout that entire duration. I've even worn this sometimes as a gym fragrance coupled with LV's Imagination. Like, who would not want to smell like bright bubbly ginger and soap coupled with bright bubbly ginger and grapefruit? Combine the both of these, smell fantastic. And the greatest part is that those two together perform great in the heat. Now that's just for the scent profile. The performance and the quality for me are what truly make this fragrance a masterpiece. When it comes to performance, I've gotten upwards of close to 10 hours with this fragrance, which for this scent profile is crazy. A lot of people like to deem this a summer fragrance. I'm using quotes because I don't think this is a summer fragrance. You can wear it for pretty much any occasion, any time of the year. But once again, usually fragrances that do have that scent profile, they don't really last that long. At least like the clean fruity fragrances, they'll take like maybe 4 or 5 hours, but some people say that's all you need. This is gonna push through that entire day, and I've tested it a number of different times. You could spray this on the back of your hand, and the back of your hand will be shiny for the next 2 hours. The oil concentration of this fragrance is phenomenal. Great oil concentration, great performance, and on top of that, the projection too. The projection on this fragrance is nice. Not only is the longevity great, but the projection on this is pretty good. So it'll be beaming off your skin for like at least the first 4 hours like crazy, and it will die down in terms of projection as time goes on within its total duration. But nah, trust me, this fragrance does not skimp out on performance in the slightest. A fragrance that you can wear for a number of different occasions, that works for a number of different occasions, lasts you 8 to 10 hours. And the one thing I've noticed about this fragrance is that this is a very difficult fragrance to do. A lot of dupes get the scent profile close. The two things I normally notice that they don't get down packed are the quality and the performance. It may smell a lot like Vibrato, but does it perform like Vibrato? Usually it doesn't. A great example being, let me see if I can find it, is Regent by Maison Aurore. Trust and believe me, when it comes to scent profile, this probably gets the closest to the smell of Vibrato. Unfortunately, I have timed the longevity of this fragrance. I'm not kidding when I say I get 2 hours sometimes out of this fragrance. I get better performance out of a freaking afternoon swim than that fragrance. It's kind of disappointing because it gets the scent profile the closest, but performance just not there. That's how the case is with a lot of other fragrances that try to copy or mimic this exact scent profile. They get the scent profile, yes, but they don't get the quality and the performance as well. And I know a lot of people like to say this fragrance smells very similar to Bulgari's Tiger and as well as LV's L'Immensité. When it comes to L'Immensité, I don't know what it is about it, but something about that fragrance I don't necessarily love. It has this very mature approach to this specific bubbly grapefruit ginger DNA that I kind of don't like, and I think sometimes can't be used for everyday occasions. And when it comes to Bulgari's Tiger, that is a lot more expensive, borderline double the price of this fragrance, and on top of that, people are saying that fragrance has like 3 hours of performance. I'm not paying double the price for 3 hours of performance when I can get half that. I could pay half that price and I get double the performance. Why not? With even better projection. I think they even made like an extrait as well of Tiger. Some people have said that stuff is a waste of money. It's even more expensive than how Tiger was. I'm staying entirely away from that. I'm staying entirely away from that. And a lot of people may even look at the price tag of this fragrance and still think this is very expensive. I managed to get this tester bottle of this fragrance for, I think it was $180, and after tax was borderline close to $200. But the craziest thing is, dare I say that this fragrance is worth every penny. And I can't often say that with a lot of fragrances. Some fragrances just aren't really worth the high price tag that they're priced at. But this, I'm not gonna lie, if they upped this to $250, I would still buy it. I don't think Sospiro should do that. Please do not up the price of this. But even if they did up the price of that, I would still buy it. This is still an amazing freaking fragrance. Not oftentimes do you have situations where it's like you buy a fragrance and the quality, the scent profile, and its versatility match up to its price point. Not often does that happen. Sometimes you have fragrances where it's like you have all those great attributes, but it's very cheap. Sometimes you don't have any of those attributes and it's still expensive as shit. But the case with Vibrato, I don't think there's gonna be a fragrance that will come close to how this fragrance is overall in terms of its versatility, quality, and its performance. And for that exact reason, I truly think if you're somebody who collects fragrances, you need a fragrance like this, or maybe you need this exact fragrance in your collection. Don't care what anybody says. I don't think you can consider yourself a certified fragrance collector if we don't got this somewhere in that collection. But yes, to sum it up, Sospiro Vibrato is one of the greatest fragrances ever made. I do not think there will be a dupe fragrance that will come close to matching how good this fragrance is in terms of quality. They may get the scent profile right, but I don't know about the quality. But you guys let me know in the comment section down below, what would you guys rate Sospiro Vibrato on a scale from 1 to 10? Like I said, I think in my honest opinion, for what it is and how good it is, a 10 out of 10 of a fragrance. Is this my favorite go-to scent profile? Honestly, no. But for what it is, unmatched masterpiece. 10 out of 10 in my opinion. This is one of those fragrances I honestly cannot think of anything bad about it. Nothing. Like, there's nothing wrong or nothing bad about this fragrance. But yeah, guys, it is your boy Frank from Seductive Excellence. I hope to catch you guys on the next video where we're glazing more fragrances on this page. We are out of here. Peace.